Today we're going to learn how to ask and answer questions about what someone is doing right now in Korean. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to ask these questions using 고 있어요 and answer them naturally with 네 or 아니요. Let's get started. Now, let's learn the words we'll be using today. Listen carefully and repeat after me. 하다, 먹다, 마시다, 듣다, 기다리다, 공부하다, 쉬다, 지금, 무엇, 뭐, 누구. Let's go through them one more time. Listen carefully and repeat each word out loud. 하다, 먹다, 마시다, 듣다, 기다리다, 공부하다, 쉬다, 지금, 무엇, 뭐, 누구. Now let's learn how to use 고 있어요. We use 고 있어요 to ask if an action is happening right now. For example, 지금 공부하고 있어요. This means, are you studying right now? Now, let's see how to make this form. Start with the dictionary form of the verb. Let's use 공부하다 to study. First, remove 다, 공부하다, 공부하. This gives us the verb stem 공부하. Next, add 고 directly to the verb stem. 공부하 플러스 고 공부하고. Then add 있어요. 공부하고 플러스 있어요. 공부하고 있어요. So, 공부하고 있어요 means, are you studying? And if you want to make it clear that you mean right now, add 지금. 지금 공부하고 있어요. Are you studying right now? Now, there's something important to notice about how this expression is put together. In 공부하고 있어요, 고 is an ending that connects the verb to 있다. That's why 고 attaches directly to the verb stem. 공부하 플러스 고 공부하고. But 있어요 comes after 공부하고 as a separate word. So we write 공부하고 있어요, not 공부하고 있어요. Remember the pattern. Verb stem plus 고 있어요. Now let's look at another question you'll hear very often in Korean. 지금 뭐 하고 있어요? This means, what are you doing now? Here, 뭐 means what and 하고 있어요 means are you doing? So, 지금 뭐 하고 있어요? What are you doing now? Now let's see how to answer these questions. If someone asks, 지금 공부하고 있어요? And the answer is yes, you can say, 네, 공부하고 있어요. Yes, I'm studying. If the answer is no, you can say, 아니요, 쉬고 있어요. No, I'm resting. And if someone asks, 지금 뭐 하고 있어요? You can simply say what you're doing. For example, 음악을 듣고 있어요. I'm listening to music. So remember, verb stem, 고 있어요? Use this pattern when you want to ask if an action is happening right now. Great! Now let's practice what we've learned. Let's start with part A. Change each verb into the 고 있어요 question form. Remember the pattern. Start with the dictionary form, remove 다, and then add 고 있어요. Try making each question on your own. Next, let's move on to part B. Read each question, look at the verb in parentheses, and use it to complete the answer. Then, in part C, make a complete question and answer dialogue using the prompts. Let's look at the example first. 커피를 마시다. 네. Make the question. 커피를 마시고 있어요? And answer. 네, 커피를 마시고 있어요. Now it's your turn. Try all the questions on your own and leave your answers in the comments below. Great job today! You learned how to use 고 있어요 to ask what someone is doing right now and how to answer these questions naturally. Keep practicing and try using 고 있어요 in your own Korean conversations. If this lesson helped you, please like and subscribe for more Korean lessons. Thanks for studying with me today, and I'll see you in the next lesson.